So I thought I'd give the headlight cleaning way with vinegar and baking soda a try, and it seems to work. I should have started before to show you the comparison, but I'll get my other light. I have a 2002 Chevy Silverado, and headlights, kind of fogged up. And I went and bought those some new headlights off eBay. One fit perfectly. The other headlight was like off by a millimeter or something like that. That wouldn't fit. So it wasn't worth sending them back. So I thought, well, I'll give it the other try. So I'll clean these. But you can see some of the brown that came off. It's the brown baking soda. And these are really fogged up. So I used just baking soda. About, what did I use? Not even let's see. About 25. About eighth of a cup of baking soda, and I don't know, about a shot glass full of vinegar. Mix it together. It kind of foams up, so be careful of that if you're doing it. I'm just doing it in my sink here. And for cleaner, I used Method All-Purpose Cleaner. It's natural, it smells good. There's that. So I will get the other light and you can see the difference, because I'm going to do the other light now since it came out so good. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it looked like. And it's what is this, September 10th, around 8:47 p.m. If you can hear in the background, I'm listening to the Hurricane Florence updates on the Weather Channel in the background. But yeah, this came out for 2002 Chevy Silverado. I just sprayed it again with some cleaner, so I'm gonna wipe it down. I don't have a way to, I'll wipe it down and I'll bring the other light in. So hold on one sec, I'll be right back. Now here's the light after I cleaned it. I just wiped it down again, put some more cleaner on it, got rid of all the scum. But you can see how shiny it is. Now I'll show you what it used to look like. This is so you aren't saying, oh, that's the same one. No, it's not the same one. Here's the other one. It's almost completely opaque. So you can see the difference. This is the clean one, obviously. This is the dirty one. See how yellow it is? It's all gunk on it. And yeah, I went out and bought new headlights. Thought, well, the headlights are dull. So I bought the high intensity bulbs. That wasn't it. It was the actual light, or the actual lens here. So there's the other one. This would be the driver's side. This is the passenger side headlight. But you can see the difference. So I'll go ahead and do this one also. Let me just get some stuff together, and once again I'll be right back. So I'm going to do the second one here now. And you can see that's the yellow on it. You can hear it. It's very abrasive. So I'm going to spray some cleaner on it first. Kind of let it break up that dirt. Just let it sit there and do its magic. Eat away. I've already made up the mixture, so I don't have to do that again. I might add some more vinegar to kind of wet it up. Kind of really got thick, but I'm just letting it sit here and cook. So let me get some more vinegar. Of course, it's on the other side of the kitchen. And of course, I'm doing it in the kitchen sink with the wife's approval. So that's part of the battle right there. Just kidding. It's very simple because it all washes down. I'm just using regular Heinz all natural vinegar. I'm not trying to, wasn't paid by Heinz or anything like that. Just that's the one we got. So I'm going to pour a little bit more. Okay. Just a little bit more, just to. There it goes. Just to give it a little bit more liquid. Like I said, I was not paid by Heinz or anything like that. Just what we had in the cabinet. Now, back over here at the light. So I'm only doing this with two hands, so I don't have a tripod head hooked up or anything like that. So I'm going to have to turn this off for a sec so I can start in on this, the rubbing. But you notice the color's already gone. It was a yellowish color. There's bugs on there. Just a little bit of cleaner helped that. Not like I didn't know it would do that, but I'm just pointing that out to somebody that doesn't know. If you go through a car wash or something like that, get the heavy duty wash. Let's see, I got another paper towel here. This is just, see, look at the brown on there. This is just wiping off the cleaner. I haven't really started in on the soda yet. And also, the problem with these Chevys, they have these little nubs on here that's really hard to clean the headlight. It drives me nuts. So when you're cleaning, you hit them all constantly, you rip your, so you can see the dirt coming off of it. It's kind of what I wanted to do it in the sink so you can see the difference. But yeah, see, yuck. Okay. Let me, yeah, I'm going to have to turn this off for a sec, so, because I have to rub a little harder. I need both hands to do it. Well, wait a minute. Let me see if I can do this here. Using our kitchen rack as a tripod. Wait a minute here. I know. It's very unprofessional, but hey, it works, right? Let's see. I just need something here. Let's see. Bear with me here. Alright. There we go. Okay, now I can do it. Using my kitchen. So there it is. There's the towel. And here's the, just mix it up a little bit. just to get it kind of loose. It was compacting already. I feel like a mad scientist doing this. So, just take a little bit of it, soak it in there. This one is a little bit different, harder than the other one. I mean, it was a little bit dirtier. But let's see. You can see it's already starting to look better. Wow, look at that. Look how shiny that is already. I don't know, you might try with a toothbrush if you got harder areas to clean. Might try it with maybe an electric toothbrush. I don't have one that I can use. I have an electric toothbrush, but I can't use it on this. So, or if you guys out there are really into it, you can probably hook a soft, what do you call it, up to your drill, you know, a buffer. Wow, this looks really clean. I'm amazed. Luckily the headlights I bought weren't that expensive. They're like 40 bucks. If I bought Chevy headlights direct from Chevy, it was going to cost me $399. And I also have a friend that works on headlights, cleans them for the auto dealers, but he charges $150, friend or not. So I was like, well, I think I'll just try this out. A little bit of sweat and grease, elbow grease. Wow, look at that. What do you think? Let me spray some more on there. Spray the cleaner on there. Let it sit there for a minute. But that was what was on the light. So pretty gross. I saw this on a couple YouTubes myself, so I thought I'd give it a try. And it seems to work. Might not be permanent, but wow, look at that. Look at the difference. I don't have the old. And you can give it one more try and then wash it off one more time. But that's what it looks like. Just remember, it is just about 1/8 of a cup of baking soda and about a shot full glass of vinegar. Your basic household vinegar. You don't have to get anything fancy. Oh, and this cleaner. It's just this. Just happens. Where's the front? Here it is. Just happens to be the stuff we use. It's called Method All-Purpose Cleaner. So, smells good. It's natural. You won't get sick if you drink it. Like I'm going to drink it, but you know what I mean. Alright, well, thanks for watching and hope this helps.